In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Diablo 4 on a PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Diablo 4 is available on various different platforms, including PlayStation consoles, and you will be able to play it even if you don't have a PlayStation 5, so the game is available on PlayStation 4. In order to download and play it, you will have to purchase the game from the PlayStation Store. I'm going to be teaching you how to acquire the game through the official PlayStation website, so at playstation.com, through a web browser on my computer, but if you prefer, you can follow along directly through the PlayStation Store on your console. Open the PlayStation Store and using the search function, look for Diablo 4 or Diablo IV. When you look for Diablo 4, it should be the only result to pop up, and as you can clearly see here, it is available on both PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5, so you don't have to worry. The game usually goes for $49.99, but during the time that I'm recording this video, it is on sale for $22.49 until the 9th of October. Currently, it isn't too good on review, so it is sitting at 3.74 stars. And either way, you will be able to add the game to your cart and purchase it. By default, you will purchase only the base game. However, there's also the Diablo 4 plus the expansion pack bundle, which is going to include the newly released expansion Vessel of Hatred. So you can purchase both of them together for $34.99 on sale or $69.99 off sale. If you prefer, you can also purchase the add-on separately later. So Vessel of Hatred is available separately for $15.99 or $39.99, and you will find various different editions that contains extra goodies. So just purchase the game from the PlayStation Store, download it, and you will be able to play it on your PlayStation 4. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.